How to restore WhatsApp chats. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can restore WhatsApp chats. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's begin. To restore your WhatsApp messages, you will need to reinstall your app. So if you already do have the app, uninstall it. You can head over to your Google Play Store. Simply search for WhatsApp, uninstall, confirm this. And after the app's been uninstalled, you can tap on the install button to install it. After you install your app, you'll need to verify your phone number, basically set up your profile again. So after your app installs, you can open it up. And after you open up your WhatsApp, tap on agree and continue. Enter out your number, then tap on next. After you enter out your information, you'll get an option to restore your previously backed up storage. So tap on give permission and add an account. Choose an account in which you actually restored it. Then you'll see the restore from backup option. Select that and tap on continue. After you do that, you can then set up your account again and you'll have restored your chat. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you restore your WhatsApp chats. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.